Just walked the fixer here in Altadena, and this is where a lot of people get tripped up. On paper, the price can look really attractive, especially in a neighborhood like this where demand is strong and inventory stays tight. It feels like there's room to make something happen. But the real question isn't the price, it's the margin after the work is done. This is where the ARV, after repair value, actually matters. Because once you factor in the true cost of renovation, not just cosmetic updates, but layout, systems, and everything needed to bring the home up to today's standards, the deal can tighten up pretty quickly. Most investors are working off a simple framework. What's the realistic ARV once the property is fully renovated? What's the rehab cost? And does the purchase price leave enough margin after that? A lot of them are targeting something in the range of 65 to 70% ARV minus rehab. And if the numbers don't support that, they pass, even if the location is great. And in areas like Altadena, especially closer to the foothills, buyers expect a certain feel, open layout, natural light, and usable outdoor space. So if the existing structure doesn't support that, or it takes too much to get there, that's where your rehab costs can creep up and eat into your margins. So what looks like a deal at first glance can actually be pretty tight once you run the numbers honestly. And that's usually why some properties sit while others move quickly. If you're looking at fixers or just trying to understand how investors actually evaluate deals, I'm happy to walk it through with you.